Hey, it's Lance with Ask Mountain Plumbing. Welcome to our live. If you're watching this live, type live. If you're watching it replay, type replay. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and continue watching. We're enjoying having you on our channel. So I've had a lot of questions about this lately, and I thought we would do a test on it to show you. We have started using a system called propress, which basically for our copper lines, it's a tool that uses compression to crimp the fitting down, and on this inside of the fitting you can see there it has an O-ring, and that O-ring will seal into the copper. So I wanted to show you the reason we're using this now, the benefits of using it, and compared to the copper. I've already prepped everything. I've got it set up here. I'm going to do a test with the propress, and I'm going to do a test with the soldering. We're going to time them and kind of show you how it is, but let's go ahead and go into that. So many years ago in Germany, they came out with a system called propress, and basically this propress system is a hydraulic press system that has jaws on it, and basically the way it works is you have your O-ring in there inside your fitting, and as you put that O-ring in there, this will use compression and smash that fitting with that O-ring down onto your copper. So it eliminates time of soldering, and we're going to kind of give you the show of the differences in times. I've already prepped everything ready to go, so it'll be really fast. All I got to do is solder. We're gonna actually time it, so you can see the differences. This is the traditional solder on this side. This is the propress on this side. They're both 3/4 inch. They're both couplings. We're just going to show you how long it takes. We're going to go ahead and start it. I'm going to get my flame ready so it's fair. All right, here we go. Solder first. .54. Let's reset that, and we will do the propress section. We ready? Here we go. .56. So that shows you that the propress system is a much faster system. It goes a lot quicker. The thing that I really like the most about the propress is if there's water anywhere in that line, with the soldering, you have to get all that water out and all that steam out in order for it to suck in and take. Whereas with propress, it doesn't matter. You just shove it on there, you crimp it, you're ready to go, and you're good to go. Let me just show you the differences. Hopefully I don't drop one or the other. Still a little warm on that one. I think that's going to fall out. But anyways, as you can see, it smashed that copper down inside there. It's got crimp rings there to indicate that it's been crimped, and then that O-ring is a nitrile O-ring that will last for a long time. Whereas the solder is normal, it will last. I think that thing's probably stinking hot. Let's see if I can get it with the channel or the pipe wrench here. See, that's another reason we use this instead. And it seals it on the inside. You can get a shot there. On the inside, you can see that it seals it, but this will last forever as well. But as you can tell, the time difference is where it's at. And we all know that the cost of a homeowner is built up in the time of the plumber being on the job. That's the majority of the cost. It's not the parts, it's the majority of the cost. Now, these fittings, these propress fittings do cost a little bit more, but as you can see, they knock off quite a bit of time in our work, especially if there's water inside the line where we don't have to solder it up. How do I feel about it as a professional? I'm using it all the time now. I have a few individuals that don't want us to use it in their homes, but for the majority of the homes, we're doing water heater replacements, we're doing softener installs, we're doing a whole bunch of work with copper lines, and we're using the propress system. I just bought my second system. I'm setting my other system in to get calibrated. After 10,000 presses, it has to be calibrated. Just like a typical machine, it has to be checked out and maintained over